Alright, starting a new project. Let me see. This is the Viper. This was my birthday present last year by Academy, 1/35 scale. And I'm just starting some work on it. I did manage to put a battery motor on it. And you see, I'm gonna try to also put some LEDs on it. See how that goes. Here's the pilot going in. And a little test run here. No switch on it yet, but that'll be later. I'm just checking as I go. So here we go. Alrighty, just having fun with this one too. It's coming together pretty smooth by Academy. Anyway, keep you guys posted. Main thing is just having fun with it. Okay, thanks.